everything that happened earlier that day, yung hilo, yung pagod, yung gutom, and the moment Mori fell asleep in the stroller, we had to pause. In the last episode, we decided to slow down. We stopped at Starliner Diner. We ate, we rested, and for a while, everything felt okay again. Hindi na ako nahihilo, hindi na ako nasusuka, and Mori, she finally got the rest she needed. While she was sleeping, hindi kami nagmadali. Parang sinurvey pa namin kung pwede na ba lumabas. And we did. Napansin namin na medyo nawawala na yung araw at gumiginaw na. So, ang ginawa namin, naglakad na kami. And doon na rin nag-start na mapansin namin na nagigising-gising na si Mori. So parang inisip namin, nakapagpahinga na yung bata. So tara, doon tayo sa Toy Story Land. Noong pagpunta namin sa Toy Story Land, sabi ko, shucks, ito yung naaalala ko. Ito yung area lang talaga na napuntahan ko nung first time kong mag-visit sa Disneyland, Hong Kong. And sabi ko, ma-enjoy ni Mori dito. Pungay-pungay pa, sabi ko sa kanya, Mori, tara, doon tayo sa parachute drop. Yon. Kasi naalala ko, ito yung pinakamahabang pila sa lahat ng Toy Story Land, bukod pa sa RC Racer. Okay, si RC Racer hindi na namin sinakyan kasi hindi pwede si Mori. So sabi ko, baka sa parachute drop, pwede siya. O de, pila kami, sabi ko, shucks, walang pila. I was wrong. Pagpila namin doon, may araw pa. No? And yung anak ko, pungay-pungay pa. Si daddy, nagpaiwan kasi hindi siya fan ng mga anything to do with height. So, hindi na siya sumama at inantay na lang niya kami. So, akala ko naman mabilis lang yung pila kasi nga parang medyo nasa kalagitnaan na kagad kami. Usually sa parachute drop, mahaba ang pila. Okay, hindi ko akalain na aabutin kami ng more than 60 minutes in line. Imagine, pumila kaming may araw, nung sumakay kami gabi na. So, ganun katagal and I'm so happy na nagpasensya ng mahaba ang anak ko kahit pagod pa siya, kahit mapungay-pungay pa, inaantok pa. In the middle of the line, sabi pa ni Mori, let's just go. I just wanna ride Slinky Dog. Sabi niya, sabi ko hindi na pwede kasi nasa gitna na tayo. And obviously, sabi ko, tiisin na lang natin, nandito na tayo. And who would have thought na yun yung isa sa mga ride na tumatak sa anak ko. You can hear us here. And sorry for my voice. Sa totoo lang, out of all the rides we experienced that day, ito yung pinaka-tumatak kay Mori at ito ang pinaka-nagustuhan niya. After namin mag-parachute drop, pumunta kagad si Daddy tsaka si Mori sa Slinky Dog kasi yun yung kinakanta niya kasi kilala niya si Slinky Dog. So, pumila sila, inantay ko sila, pinanood ko silang mag-Slinky Dog ride. Tapos pagbaba niya, pagkatapos ng ride, sabi niya, let's go back to the parachute drop. Sabi ko, nung nakita ko yung RC Racer, gusto ko rin sanang masakyan. Pero considering kasi na mag-isa ko lang yung sasakay, sabi ko, sige, wag na. Let's just go kasi gabi na and medyo malamig na, medyo chill na. So sabi ko, tara, lakad-lakad na lang muna tayo. Kasi medyo malapit-lapit na rin kasi mag 9. So sabi ko, sige, lakad na lang tayo pabalik dun sa main street. So habang naglalakad kami pabalik sa main street, napadpad kami sa Mystic Manor. And dun ko naalala sa Mystic Manor line na meron nga pala akong Premier Access. Dito ko lang nagamit yung Premier Access at nagpaturo ako, and thank you naman po dun sa staff kasi she was very very patient with me and tinuruan niya ako kung paano ko gamitin yung QR code, and nagamit namin. We skipped the line kasi sobrang haba ng pila. And kami yung first batch that time. So pasok kami. Tapos Buti na lang kamo, meron pa rin yung earphones ni Mori na gamit namin sa loob kasi medyo malakas nga yung sounds. And we were riding this kind of parang bump car, pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-describe na bump car, pero magnet, it was run by a magnet. So wala lang linya-linya ganon. So masaya naman, masaya yung aming ride sa Mystic Manor, and as you guys can see and as you guys can watch, medyo na-enjoy namin talaga yung Mystic Manor. So here you go. Ang isang hindi namin inaasahan is sumakay sa roller coaster for one last time. One last ride bago kami manood ng fireworks. Actually, it was crunch time kasi malapit na nga talaga mag-9, and I think it was 8:15. So, pagkatapos namin sa Mystic Manor, lakad na kami paakyat, and napadpad kami sa CR. Actually, nag-CR lang muna kami. Tapos sabi ko, oh, walang pila sa Grizzly Bear Mountain. Sabi ko, tara, isang ride na lang bago tayo bumalik. Sabi ko, parang feeling ko, willing kong i-risk yung $100. Kung lalagpas man ako ng 9 p.m., parang sige, willing na akong willing na akong ibigay yung 100. Maranasan lang namin kasi pasok yung height ni Mori, and sabi ko gabi, malamig, at hindi naman kami nakababad sa araw. Sabi ko, sige, one last ride. Aabot kami. Okay, 8:30 kami nakasakay, and it was a roller coaster, and na-enjoy namin. Sorry, wala akong video about that kasi baka lumipad ang ating action pro. So, honestly, pagkatapos ng ride, na-enjoy namin yung ride. Pero ang kinakanta pa rin ng anak ko is Parachute Drop. So, I'm so sorry na isang beses lang natin na nasakyan, Mori-chan, ang Parachute Drop. Pero yun na nga, andito tayo. Pagkatapos namin sa Grizzly Bear Mountain, pagtingin namin sa orasan, it's 8:45 p.m. And dito, alam ko na, kailangan na naming tumakbo. So, eto kami, matakbo. Matakbo kami papuntang Main Street. And I'm so sorry na medyo maalog ang video natin, pero the panic is real kasi alam namin na sobrang daming tao na makakasalubong namin sa Main Street. And the thing is, the most difficult thing was saying excuse me to all the people standing there. Kasi syempre nakapwesto na sila, kami nakikidaan lang, going back to the Main Street sa may City Hall. Sa pinakalikod pa kami. Syempre doon pa lang sa may castle, marami ng tao talaga. Naharangan na nila lahat ng daanan. So, sabi ko, oh my God, abot pa kami ng 9. And umabot kami ng 9. Eksaktong 9. And the personnel there was handing over $100. So, prepared na. And hindi na rin kami, minabuti na rin din namin na hindi na kami naglakad forward, papunta, mas malapit sa castle. Doon na lang kami sa likod para mas kita namin yung buong effects ng buong Main Street, tsaka ng castle and the fireworks. So this is the fireworks. Hindi ko siya mapopost lahat, pero I was so happy to witness this kind of thing kasi hindi ko to naabutan sa kahit nung unang Disneyland experience ko kasi we went home early. Pero this time, pinili naming magpaiwan, pinili namin na ma-witness talaga yung Disneyland as itself. Hindi matatapos ang Disneyland experience kung hindi mo mapapanood ang fireworks. So I'm just really thankful na on board yung husband ko, si Mori, nakita niya yung fireworks, maganda yung show. And after that, alam nyo ba, hindi pa kami umuwi and nag-picture-picture muna. And ganun talaga, marami ring tao na ganun. Maraming tao din na gusto nilang mag-picture-picture kasama dun sa castle. Ang ginawa namin, alam na namin kasi, meron yung mga tao na pagkatapos ng first song, umuwi na. Nakakita na kami ng mga wave of people papunta na sa exit. So, nung natapos na talaga yung buong show, Diyos ko, parang para silang, paano ko ba explain? Para silang mga wave of people. And I was really concerned, no? Kasi may mga bata na baka, alam mo yung stampede, kasi nagmamadali silang umuwi. Nagmamadali sila pumunta ng exit. So habang kami, pinapahupa namin yung wave of people going to the exit. Pumasok muna kami sa mga boutique stores. Tingin-tingin kami ng mga stuff. May kamahalan, so ang ending wala kaming nabili. Pero nung natapos na yung wave, so lumabas na kami, kalmado na, doon na kami nakapagpa-picture sa castle. And honestly, hindi pa kami umuwi. Umupo muna kami sa curb. So meron akong short vlog about it. So I just want you guys to watch it muna and pakinggan nyo kung ano yung mga post-Disneyland experience and interview ko with Daddy and Mori. So here.
Ay, roller coaster. You like the roller coaster? Which one? The space one or the bear one?
I want the parachute drop.
Parachute drop from Toy Story. Hi everybody. So, tapos na yung birthday ni Mori. And someone jumped over our camera, which was really, really rude. So, interview time with the birthday girl. How was your birthday today at Disneyland, Mori-chan?
It's fun.
Did you enjoy Disneyland?
Yes.
Was it your first time in Disneyland?
Yes.
Why do you like Disneyland?
Because it's my birthday today.
Ah, it's your birthday today. How old are you?
6.
Eh?
Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I thought you're 5 yesterday.
Yeah. Yes, I know, but I'm 6 years old.
All right. So, what rides did you do today?
I like a parachute drop.
How about the parade? Do you like the parade?
Yes, I do.
Ano nakita mo sa parade? What did you see?
Disney friends.
Oh, Disney Friends.
Hearing her say that parachute drop, kung ano yung ride na talagang sinusukuan na niya, yung ride na sinusukuan na niya, turns out to be her most memorable and favorite ride sa Disneyland. Noong una, akala namin parade ang pinunta namin dito. Akala namin yun yung maaalala niya. Um, yung mga rides namin na Mad Hatter, yung Small World. Sad lang kasi syempre hindi kami nakapag Elsa, hindi namin nakita si Elsa or nakapag Arendelle experience. Pero yun talaga yung pinaka-naalala niya and it warms my heart kasi na-enjoy ng anak ko. Merong isang tumatak sa kanya na ride at naalala niya, hindi niya naalala yung mahabang pila, hindi niya naalala yung pagod, hindi niya naalala yung stress. Naalala niya yung joy, naalala niya yung experience itself. And it's a very, very unique experience. That's why I think many people are queuing to experience parachute drop. And nung narinig ko sa kanya yun, parang talaga sabi ko, naalala ng anak ko. So, uwi na kami. We started walking towards the train station. Medyo kalmado na, okay na rin. Pagod kami, true, pero ang saya namin. Hindi siya perfect, pero happy birthday. And I think it's really the perfect way to celebrate her birthday. A very, very memorable birthday for Maury. And first and foremost, I'm really proud of her kasi nagkaroon siya ng courage to ride all those attraction rides. Proud ako sa amin ng daddy niya kasi we endured the pagod, the anxiety, wala pa rin yung maleta namin. And lastly, I am proud of myself. I'm proud of myself for having the courage to take my family here. And I'm just proud. I am just a proud mom na all of the hard work, all of the planning, even though maraming nangyari na hindi naman nasa plano, it's still worth it kasi nag-enjoy yung anak ko sa birthday niya. And that's how we celebrated Maury's birthday in Hong Kong Disneyland. So, I hope you enjoy this 3-part episode for her birthday. And from one mom to another, thank you for being here. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again on our next episode. Bye, everybody!